Yeah, it's a winter wonderland out here, and the snow is really pretty, but you know what's not so pretty? The driving around here. The snow is causing frustration to many drivers, the long commutes, and also just the weather's just really harsh on our cars. And earlier today, I stopped by one of the local tire shops to see how they've been impacted by the storm and how other people can get ahead of these troubles.
As bad as the roads are, obviously, those roundabouts are killers.
Getting around Central Oregon has been a challenge due to our winter weather.
Having Olney and Portland Avenue both closed has been horrendous. I'm up at COCC, and to get home the last 2 nights has taken me a full hour.
And for Bonnie Criswell, it's caused unexpected car troubles.
My windshield wiper flew off last night coming home, so I'm here today to get it replaced.
LaSchwab and Ben says that's been pretty common this week.
We've been having a lot of battery issues, of course, because of the cold snap, windshield wipers breaking as well. So we service all that stuff too.
The manager says some people are just now switching to their winter tires.
If you're proactive and you get them on ahead of time, good for you. If not, we're here. As bad as the roads are, it's important to have, that extra security of having good tires on your car.
I have all winter tires with 4-wheel drive, so I feel really comfortable.
And it's not just about your tires. Your vehicle's battery and brakes should be checked as well.
You drive your car daily, the battery should be fine, but unfortunately batteries don't always give you that fair warning of when they're going to go out.
Yeah, that dead car battery. It happened to me once in the middle of the night on the way to work. That's not fun. And if you're starting to worry about this now, you can go to LaSchwab and get this checked out. They can just see where the life is at. Typically, a battery lasts 3 to 5 years, but it can be impacted by the climate, hot or cold weather, or how much you're driving. So those driving habits as well. Stay safe out there on the roads. Live in the KTVZ parking lot, Jillian Fortner, KTVZ News.